CSAR, Research and Development for Sustainable Aquatic Resources. The ocean is a challenging place to make a living. The harsh environment makes it even harder to do research and development. Conducting research and development on fishing gear in 1,000 fathoms of water is even more difficult. At Memorial University's Marine Institute, the Center for Sustainable Aquatic Resources overcomes these challenges with a suite of tools such as the world's largest flume tank. This unique facility is the only one in North and South America, and it is used extensively by researchers, industry, and government agencies. International gear designers also use it to design and test selective energy efficient and environmentally friendly fishing gear. Containing nearly 2 million liters of water, its test section is 22 meters long by 8 meters wide by 4 meters deep. The tank has a moving ground plane, which is used to simulate a trawl being towed over the ocean floor. The moving ground plane is synchronized with the tank's water flow, and together they can operate at a velocity of up to 1 meter per second. Both the moving ground plane and water flow are important components of the tank because they allow researchers and fishers to design and test fishing gear on a model scale in a controlled environment. With over 120 model trawls and 75 sets of model doors for different fisheries around the world, CSAR is a global leader in bycatch issues. It has developed comprehensive survey trawl manuals for the Canadian and American governments, as well as conducted fisheries training for fishers, researchers, and manufacturers throughout the Northwest Atlantic, Pacific, and Asian regions. In addition to CSAR's capacity to conduct model testing prior to sea trials, the Center also engages in at-sea testing of fishing gear and fisheries development. CSAR's skilled team of gear technologists, fish behaviorists, and fisheries biologists work closely with the Canadian industry and international clients to conduct at-sea work. The use of underwater cameras, acoustic devices, and ROVs enables CSAR staff to observe fish and gear interactions in any environment. Use of this equipment has led to groundbreaking research for a number of commercially harvested and ecologically sensitive species. From the Arctic Circle to the Grand Banks of Newfoundland, from Mozambique, Africa to the Sea of Cortez in Mexico, CSAR's dedicated and resourceful staff travel the globe solving major issues facing today's fisheries. In addition to its fisheries research capability, CSAR has expanded use of its flume tank to include a variety of hydrodynamics testing on marine structures. A great deal of work in recent years has focused on the reduction of vortex-induced motions. The tank is an extremely useful tool for flow visualization work as well. Together with Oceanic Consulting Corporation, CSAR has become a leader in directional stability testing of articulated tugs and barges. With a viewing gallery capable of accommodating up to 150 people, as well as professional video recording and editing facilities, the Center for Sustainable Aquatic Resources Flume Tank is truly a world-class facility. The Center for Sustainable Aquatic Resources is a key component of a group of industrial training and research units at the Marine Institute. Together with the Center for Marine Simulation, the Center for Aquaculture and Seafood Development, and the Offshore Safety and Survival Center, the Marine Institute is setting the standard for education, training, innovation, and research.